a quick and dirty method that you can use not to get the exact function through all these points, and in case you don't need the equation, but just something that shows what can be the general shape of a function through the points you have. This is what I usually use when teaching. You need to select the freehand shape tool and then try to draw a curve through all your points. Of course, I'm awful at drawing with the mouse, but this is sort of, here it is, function through all these points. GeoGebra creates a freehand function for which you don't have the equation, but you have a general shape through all these points. And you can do some things using this, even if you don't have the equation. For example, you can evaluate the function at a point, for example, f of 7. You press enter and you got the value of the function when x is equal to 7. Or you can even calculate the integral of this function between two values. For example, the function is f between x of c, x of c and x of n. Press enter, and here it's the integral, and here it's the value. Of course, this is not precise, it's just something useful when you are in the middle of a talk and want to show something